Busia County. My oath did not involve Busia County. It involved the Republic. So I'm rightly addressed as a senator from Busia County, not for Busia County. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53, Clause 1, to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources on a matter of inter-county concern regarding the delay in compensating owners of land.
What is the point of order, Senator, for Kakamega?
Mr. Speaker, you are consulting when the senator for Busia started speaking. He has denied that he's not the senator for Busia and made a lot of statements about it. Understanding Order 105, what is he talking about?
Senator Omtatah, are you the senator for Busia or not?
I'm the senator from Busia, not for Busia. I'm a senator of the Republic of Kenya from Busia. This is a national house.
Okay.
It's a parliament of Kenya, it's not a parliament of Busia. So I'm elected by people of Busia to sit in the national parliament. Therefore, the English is that I'm a senator from Busia, not for Busia.
So you're the senator elected by the people of Busia for the Republic of Kenya?
Yes.
Is that the title you'd want to be known for?
Yes. That's why, that's why I'm able to go to Isiolo and I demand accountability.
Okay.
It's English.
So Honorable Senator Omtatah,
Yes, sir.
who've been elected by the people of Busia
Yes.
to represent the Republic of Kenya in the Senate.
Yes.
May you proceed to seek your statement.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant, and by the way, that applies to all senators and to all assemblymen.
Just proceed, Senator Omtatah. We have concluded that.
Thank you. Thank you, the senator from Nandi. Thank you. And the senator of the Republic of Kenya from Kakamega. Thank you. Not of Kakamega. I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53, Clause 1, to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources on a matter of inter-county concern regarding the delay in compensating owners of land whose parcels were compulsorily acquired for the Ejinja-Bumala Road project in Busia and Kakamega counties. Mr. Speaker, sir, the National Land Commission, in its response to my request for information on the delay in compensating project-affected persons, brackets PAPs, in the Ejinja-Bumala Road project, cited lack of funds, lack of requisite documentation, and an unending succession processes as the reasons for the delay. In this regard, I request the committee to address the following. 1, the details of the 536 PAPs who have already been compensated so far, including the respective compensation amounts. 2, the failure by the Ministry of Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development to forward to the National Land Commission valuation reports, award letters, statements of acceptance, and other documentation in their custody, which are necessary to facilitate the conclusion of the evaluation of claims. 3, the reasons for the delay by the Kenya National Highways Authority, that's KENA, to fully remit to the National Land Commission compensation funds for the Ejinja-Bumala Road project, and the timelines for remittance of the outstanding balance. 4, the actions being taken by KENA as the acquiring entity and other government agencies to facilitate prompt conclusion of succession processes affecting the acquired land to pave way for compensation. And 5, proposed actions to ensure prompt compensation of the 635 remaining PAPs, including whether KENA could approve reallocation of undisbursed compensation funds at NLC to pay the PAPs that are payable. dated 15th April 2025. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Senator Fernande, the Honorable Charanke.
Mr. Speaker,